Hello everyone, good morning. I'm going to give you a tour of my workstation. Sobrang simple lang. Meron lang tayong upuan from Lazada. Table was from Lazada also. And yeah, yun lang. Tapos ito is from IKEA. There you go. So ito lang ang desk natin. First is this mat. I think this is a mouse pad na rin. I think this is called a mouse pad. I think. Tapos ito lang yung yan. So, everything on top of my desk, kailangan ko lahat yan. Yeah, so, first, let's start with this. This riser is from SM. Sobrang mura lang. 100, less than 200, mga 169 ata. Yung, tapos, of course, yung monitor, and the PC, and the CPU. Tapos, yung ibang keyboard before, tsaka yung mouse package yun namin nakuha sa Gilmore ng around 30,000. Tapos, hindi ko alam yung specs, pero maganda na siya. I've been using this for 3 years na, pero wala pa naman akong issue na nakikita. Tapos, in my right, I have here this rose gold vase. Nandun lang yung ball pens, markers, and these 3 flowers are from this red one and then this blue one. These are from my son nung Valentine's Day. Tapos ito, this is from my niece story. She got this sa church, na pulot niya daw. Tapos yun, sabi niya bibigay niya sa akin. Very nice, di ba? Tapos dito meron lang tayong coasters sa tsaka yan, dalawa. Ito, galing to sa son ko. Tapos, meron tayong mga panlaban sa init ng Pilipinas. Meron tayong Fisan Prickly Heat Powder. Tsaka ito. I removed the what you call that, the sticker tag na. Pero this is for cooling effect. Yung isa-spray mo sa shirt mo. Tapos magiging malamig na yung shirt mo. Yan. So, dyan lang yan dalawa kasi ang init ng Pilipinas. Yan. So, moving on. This is the riser. Ang laki ng space actually. Pero ayoko nga ng obstructed yung ginagalawan ko. So, here pala. This is a clip. So, kapag kakain ako ng ng chips, ng anything na may bag, ito lang pang clip ko. And I also put here my reminders. So, here we have less coffee, less carbs and sweets, stand and walk, no dinner. Kasi I'm trying to do intermittent fasting again. Kasi ang jubis-jubis na natin. Tapos, under the riser, we have here my eyeglasses case at yung pamunas. I need that kasi parating na ayoko nang madumi. This is the wire for my keyboard. Tapos yung mouse natin. And for my keyboard, I'm using the EOSO. I don't know. Pero husband lang ang pumili nito. It's very compact. Yan lang siya. It's very compact. Tapos ang ganda rin. Yan yung sound niya. I think for gaming to. Tapos, kapag rechargeable to using this cord lang. Or you can use it while nakasaksak. Tapos, ito naman, under here, this is my food log. So, since meron tayong reminder dito, kailangan natin mag-log ng mga kinakain natin everyday. Yan. Pero, failure pa rin. Marami pa rin carbs, marami pa rin sweets, but I'm still hoping na magawa ko ng tama yung gusto ko. Tapos, itong side nito, this is the tita side. Alright, so first thing is my cellphone stand. Pag nag-work, nandyan lang yan. Nakalagay lang yung phone ko dyan. Tapos, ito, bilangin natin, number 2, 3, 4. So, these are my tita essentials kapag masakit ang ulo. So, if you noticed, tinatanggalan ko ng tags yung mga gamit ko. I don't know why. Ayoko lang na may tags. So, I have to remember the names. Kaya nagsisisi ako, ba't ko tinanggal yung name nito? I don't have the brand name but I got it from the hospital. So, it's a soothing balm. It's lavender scent. Ang sarap ng scent niya. Tsaka, syempre, may cooling and, may cooling effect. So, yan. Kapag may ubo, may sakit ng ulo, nilalagay ko lang yan. Tapos, ito naman is efficacent oil ba to? Yeah, efficacent oil. Matapang din. Ito yung kay Ellen Adarna. I forgot what it's called. No. Kakainis, diba? Basta, ayan. Ito yung mini-mention ni Ellen Adarna parate before na parang healing oil din. Sobrang effective nito. Ang sarap, ang soothing ng amoy. Matapang siya kapag, syempre, pag nilagyan mo ng marami. Pero ang sarap. Tapos, ito naman is Jade Grain Menthol. Yung nabibili sa Mercury. Yan. Tapos, ito ay mga kaartean. Tapos, meron akong humidifier dyan. So, here are my notepads. So, may kailangan bilhin, kailangan gawin. So, nandito lang yung mga eyebrow things. Yan. So, hindi naman makapal ang eyebrows natin. So, still kailangan pa rin natin ito. And, trimmer. Ay, blade. Yan. Next is, hindi ko pa ito nagagamit. Kasi one time, naging very acidic ako. So, binigay ito sa akin ng brother ko. Meron tayong lip tint and lip balm. Ito pa, ubos na yung Happy Skin na gift sa akin ng daughter ko ng Christmas. Tapos, itong lip balm na kinuha ko rin sa anak ko kasi wala na ako. And ito, yung pamalakasang Ever Belena na lip tint. Yan lang ang ginagamit ko. Hindi naman natin kailangan Hindi naman kailangan natin ng fully made up na mukha. Eye drops, kasi syempre maghapon tayo nakatapat sa computer. Pag masakit na yung mata, yan, eye drops lang. And of course, alcohol. Alright, so balik na natin ang mga bagay-bagay. So, ito lang ang nasa desk ko. And, I make sure na simple lang talaga kung ano yung nakikita ko. Kasi kapag cluttered, yung nakikita ko, ayun na, hindi na ako, although hindi naman sa OA na hindi makapagtrabaho, ayoko lang talaga kapag cluttered. Kasi nga, syempre, mas gusto mo na yung tinitignan mo maiwalas, diba? So, yan lang siya. Yan. And that's it. That's my desk there. Very simple. Thank you so much.